Good morning, this is Dave here again. This is a little quick video to show you the new fire basket. Totally worked different. This is the new fire basket. There we are. So I'll put it at these. Right, what it is that angle there, round there, is I've reduced the bend and it's making the fire burn like 20% better, more efficient. So there it is. It's still got the 6mm gaps, so there's 6mm in those. And the other little job I've done, right, goes in there, and they are available. If you want one, just email me. Now the other little mod I've done is the distance from here to here. I've cut out 5.5 inches of chimney at the feed tube, so that is now sitting right down there. There's a little slot here so I can see when the pellets are running out or getting close. And I was asked about the butterfly valve. That works at that point absolutely fantastic. I don't know why anybody would want to do anything different. I don't need a slice and dice valve, and that height, beautiful, works out really well. So that's about it really. Tried the new basket and I was shocked to see how much more efficient it was. So this is Dave signing off. Don't forget the bits at the bottom, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Whoosh, we're gone.